This stuff is unbelievable, and it's great for sealing brown paper. Like if somebody, I've got a video where I went to a house and they were getting tile and they pulled all their baseboard off without scoring the top. So it pulled the paper off the drywall. So what you need to do is use the Gardz, and it seals it and locks that brown paper underneath the gray paper of drywall. If you don't do that, anytime you put joint compound or paint on it, it's gonna bubble up. The Gardz made by Zinsser is like unbelievable for that. So definitely use a Gardz. It's also good for wallpaper removal. A lot of times it's hard to get the glue off, or when you pull the wallpaper, it peels drywall paper down to the brown paper. So the Gardz fixes that to where you can just mud over it. It is a little watery, so you want to not use a thick nap on your roller. You just kind of, like if you just got some spot areas, I like to use a cigar roller or a Wizzy, depends where you're at, what it's called. Maybe a 1/2 inch nap on that. And like I said, it's super watery, so you want to be careful not to splatter it everywhere. Best thing to do whenever you're working is use a plastic to cover the floor, personal items. So even if you do have a little splashing around, it's not gonna get on people's stuff. The Gardz is key, but the Gardz, I do have it in my Amazon influencer store. I'll put a link to that up. And also you can go there just to see the information and what these products do. I'm kind of giving you a quick rundown on what they do, but there's more information on these products. That's the Gardz. Love the stuff. Always got it in my van.